Welcome. I am Eduardo Lopez from the Journey Partnership. We are architects with a passion for placemaking. The places we made are iconic landmarks like these. We create them to be uniquely compelling. Destinations where people love to go. Now, Bukit Bintang City Center, BBCC, they came to us with their remarkable vision to recreate an authentic urban experience, to bring back the community's vibrant past, to rejuvenate the city, and to create a new environment that embraces the way people live. This is the urban renaissance that is BBCC. There's nothing quite like BBCC anywhere. It is an integrated development. In the center of Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, BBCC is bordered by two main access roads and planned for an even mix of residential and commercial. The master plan of BBCC is designed to link people to places and spaces throughout the development, seamlessly from within and in between, with spaces along the way enhanced by the freshness of green. At the main frontage of the site is an amazing retail mall, an extraordinary centerpiece, where every visit is a new experience. Connected to the mall is the entertainment hub, a vibrant addition to the BBCC experience. A center for cinemas and entertainment attractions. The Malaysia Grand Bazaar and a spectacular 2,500-seat state-of-the-art event arena. Positioned above the entertainment hub is a strata office block and a hotel block. BBCC is located in a vibrant business district where office and accommodations are needed. The pinnacle of the master plan is an iconic 80-story tower that will transform the city skyline. With premium-grade corporate offices in the low zone, an international 5-star hotel in the mid-zone, and luxurious signature residences at the top zone. An invigorating park is placed right on top of the mall. This urban green lung is for people in the city to reconnect to nature, to rest, to relax and enjoy. Overlooking the park would be 6 blocks of residential towers. Where all residents will have access to the park, offering the community at BBCC a unique urban oasis, all just a few steps away. The residential precinct and the mall are connected by the lifestyle street. It runs through the entire width of BBCC, connecting the two main access roads. Here you will find a tantalizing choice of eateries, popular gathering spots, a journey of fascinating fashion and accessories, and even souvenirs and antiques. The lifestyle street will bring life to BBCC, drawing people into it via 3 overhead pedestrian walkways. All walkways converge at a new transit hub, the center of BBCC connectivity, to and from everywhere, creating excellent access from 3 rail services: the existing LRT, the monorail system, and the upcoming MRT. The vision of the developer is transformed into a master plan to create an experience like no other. A truly integrated development that will completely redefine the city and bring to it a new life, a new vibrancy, all in one place, at the heart of Kuala Lumpur, where life is spectacular at BBCC.